Hi, Mr. Kennedy. What are we learning today?
Hi Michaela, we are learning about measures of variation.
That is so easy. I know all about finding range and interquartile range. To find the range of data, you just subtract the biggest and smallest numbers. It shows you how spread out the data is. The range is so elementary school. It is not very good because outliers affect the range a lot. For example, my quiz scores in math are 10, 8, 9, 8, 9, 7, 3, and 10. The range is 10 minus 3, which is 7. The interquartile range is easy as well and is better since it does not look at the outliers. Like my quiz scores, it isn't fair to count the 3. I had a bad day that day. To find the IQR, you put the data in order and cut it in half by finding the median. Then you cut the two new halves in half by finding the median again. Subtract the Q1 from Q3. So, in my quiz scores, the order is 3, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. The median is 8.5. The Q1 is 7.5 and the Q3 is 9.5. So, my IQR is 9.5 minus 7.5. 2. I am consistent. The scores are about 2 points apart.
Dang, you are a math beast. Now you are ready to learn about the mean absolute deviation. First, let's discuss some vocabulary. Deviate or deviation means to leave the normal path. So, the mean absolute deviation is measuring how far the numbers in a data set are from the normal value or average. Can we find the mean absolute value of your quiz scores?
Sure. This is so exciting.
Alright, the first step is to find the mean of the data. So, adding up 3, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10 is 64. Divide 64 by 8 and the mean score is 8. Step 2. Find the distance between each value and the mean. So, you may find it helps to put the points on a dot plot. Now, the distance between 3 and the mean of 8 is 5. The distance between 7 and the mean is 1. The distance for the scores of 8 is 0, for 9 is 1 and 10 is 2. Step 3. Add all the distances. Step 4. Find the averages of the distances by dividing by the number of data values. So, the sum of the distances is 12 and divided by 8 is 1.5. Michaela, your quiz scores differ from the mean by an average of 1.5 points. The mean absolute deviation tells you the average distance of the data points from the mean.
I am a math beast. Rawr.